Mokonyako Ramogi wango bila mago kwach kicho chiko mane en jatend migao mar arita kwe Dr. Fred Matiang'i mondo okinyo chop e nyimgi e kar saa 3 mar okinyi.
Kata kamano okil mar Matiang'i Danstan Omari to koni ne gichopo e log tich mar okwach kich mondo giket kwayo mar chopo e nyim obila mag okwach kich okinyi mar saa 2 kaluwore kod dich ma Matiang'i ni godo.
We agreed that we come to the DCI to make a formal request because the 9:30 time is not appropriate for us as advocates because we have several matters in court that cannot be adjourned. 2, it is not possible because the CS had already made his own arrangements. Faced with that, we have come here with an official request to the DCI that we reschedule tomorrow's meeting to tomorrow at 8 a.m. The DCI officers have agreed that we will come with the CS tomorrow, being the Tuesday, at exactly 8 a.m. in the morning, so that by 9 we will be leaving to go and attend to court. The CS will be leaving to attend to prearranged meetings that were there. If they will not have finished with the CS to investigate him, we will reschedule to another date.